The Miele dishwasher error code F600 indicates an issue with the auto dose dispensing process outlet. When this error code is triggered, the dishwasher's drain pump starts running. The wash program is immediately cancelled, and the code is displayed. The most common cause of this error is a blocked auto dose system. To fix the issue, start by cleaning the spray arms. Open the dishwasher, remove the baskets, and take out the lower and upper spray arms. Use a pointed object to push out any food particles. Then rinse the arms thoroughly with water. Once clean, put the spray arms and baskets back in place and close the dishwasher. Another solution is to clean the autodose assembly, which can be found on the dishwasher's door. Open the autodose lid, remove the power disc, and pull out the power disc holder and fill channel. Clean the fill channel with a soft brush and water. Dry it well, and then reassemble the parts. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it is recommended to consult a service technician for further assistance.